Alright, hi guys! So you're watching this video right now kasi isa ka sa nag-concern na baka scam ang EOTG Empire at yung platform na ginagamit natin. And I understand very well kung bakit yan ang nararamdaman mo. Kaso nga lang, napakadali lang yan isagot and of course i-address na concern. As you can see, you can do a background check of our community, of the mentors involved in EOTG Empire at makikita mo our profile is public. We have been around for how many years already? Ako personally, I've been here for 10 years already. And lalong-lalo na yung ating company and platform na ginagamit. It is very, very legit. It has been around for more than 18 years. Marami pong mga legalities, marami na pong mga offices, hindi lang po sa buong Pilipinas, kung hindi sa buong mundo, meron na tayong napakaraming branches. Ibig sabihin, pagka ikaw ay nakapag-expand ng ganyan, you are more than legit. Kasi hindi ka lang qualified and legal sa Pilipinas, legal ka din sa ibang bansa. We are also one of the highest taxpayers of BIR. So pagka-involved na po yung mga SEC and BIR, ibig po sabihin yan, fully operational and legal ang ating negosyo. And huwag kang matakot. You can observe events, you can talk to more members of the community na tumagal na din dito para mas ma-okay yung iyong pakiramdam when dealing and of course being part of EOTG Empire. You can just schedule an online consultation with any of our head coaches and mentors para mas makilala mo sila.